Thank you for watching this new video. This time we're going to do a package. This package will be a carton. So let's get started. We're not going to use any reference for this one because we kind of know how a carton looks. So let's get started. Press Shift A, plane. Period on your number pad. Tap to go to edit mode. S and Y to reduce it a little bit like that. Press E and extrude around 1.2. E again and extrude around 0.22. Ctrl R to create this cut right there in the middle. 1 in your number pad. Shift C to go to wireframe. Select these vertices X and vertices to delete. We'll be having just half of this. Ctrl R and create these two cuts, S and Y, and move it all the way close to this area. Ctrl R, click and create two more. Leave it like that. Go to modifier, mirror modifier. Ctrl R and create these two cuts horizontally. Now press 3, go to faces and select all these faces right there and delete. Press 1 to go to vertices, select these two vertices. Make sure you have clipping on. Press G, X and move it close to that area. Like that. Press 7 on your number pad. Now press S and Y and reduce it all the way until you have it as close as possible. Select this one and that one. S, Y and reduce it just like the last one, as close as possible. Right all the way. Okay. Select these two vertices, press G and move it a little bit like that in the middle. Press SY to create like a triangle. Select this vertex and that one right there. Press SY. We need to create a triangle like this one. Now we need to select these two vertices, these two, by holding down Shift. Shift select this and Shift select those one too. Now press SY. Reduce this one. Make sure you have the closest distance like this and this one. Now just select this two and this two at the top. SY. Reduce that one all the way close. Not that much, around there. 2 to go to edge mode. Select this one right there. Press G, see it, and move it down a little bit. Now press 1. Select those two. These ones right here and bottom. press SY and move it all the way close to that edge right there. You'll be having something like that. Hold down Alt and click in this top area to select everything. SY to reduce it a little bit more. Now press E, seed, and extrude a little bit up. I'm gonna close these ones a little bit more by pressing G, Y. And these two, G, Y, like that. Alt click and press E, seed, and extrude a little bit up all the way. Tap to go to object mode, right click, shade smooth. Go to the modifier apply. Tap to go back to edit mode, press A to select everything, then S, X and reduce it a little bit, S, Y, reduce it, that one too. We're almost done with this cartoon. We just need to add two cuts right here with Ctrl R and right there. Tap to go to object mode, Ctrl 2 to add a subdivision modifier, and let's make some cuts. Ctrl R all the way to the bottom, Ctrl R again, Ctrl R here, close to that area. Now let's create one vertical right there. One right there around 0.85. Let's create another one right there. That one there, we're almost done. Last one in the top. And we are done. Hope you like this video. Make sure to subscribe. For the next one, we'll be having something like this, and I hope you like it. Bye.